Hello, my name is Frank Rieta, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to take any data from Excel to a MySQL database using SQL Converter. To do this, I'm going to use Excel 2000 with SQL Converter 2 installed. You'll notice the presence of the SQL menu. I'm also going to be taking that data to a MySQL database server, and I am running phpMyAdmin, and the database has already been created. So I'm going to first export the data from the Excel workbook, then I'm going to import it into phpMyAdmin. So now I will open the example company workbook. This contains a customer list that has a number of fields, including several that are text, and one that is a currency field, and another that is a date field. Each of the columns in the header equate to a database tables field, and all of the rows equate to a record. I'm going to go to the SQL menu, choose Design and Export SQL. This brings up the table builder. Since I've never worked with this particular workbook before, I'm going to run the table wizard. It identifies the header row as the third row. Choose OK. It went ahead and put together the fields and the source columns. Now it set annual sales as a tiny text field. However, since it's money, it's better off to be a double. So I'm going to go and change that. Choose OK. I can review my SQL generation options. The defaults are perfect for this instance. I want to export all rows. Now what that means is it's going to include all rows following the header row, so 4 through however many there are in the output. I'm going to go up here and choose my output file. It suggests the file by the same name as the workbook except with the SQL extension. I can accept that, and I'm going to run the dump. It finished. I can go ahead and open the output file in Notepad to show that it is actually a text file. So this is what an SQL dump is. It's a sequence of SQL queries with the data. Close out of these. Go over to phpMyAdmin. I'm going to go to the SQL tab. I'm going to choose the output file and upload the data. I see that the upload was successful, and I now have a customers table in my database. This isn't limited to working with phpMyAdmin, but this is a very common interface. So that shows you just how easy it is to take any data that Excel can load and turn it into a MySQL database using SQL Converter for Excel.